Stevie, shut the fuck up.
Boys, just remember we are doing those account giveaways today. If you're not in that, man, like, it's just, the fuck are you doing, man? We do these every month, by the way, lads. These giveaways we do every single month. Right, boys, I'm on YouTube and I'm on TikTok now. Let me just send links and shit. Hey, yes, Nick. Come on. I love that, motherfucker. I love that. What are you saying, boys? How we doing, man? We've already hit TP this morning on one trade we had in the Oh, I just spilled the coffee all over me. Bruv! Does anyone else do this, man? You proper try and make use of your coffee cup, yeah? You fill it to the literal brim. But then you only realise you fuck up as soon as you start walking up the stairs and realise there is no way on this beautiful, beautiful earth that God give us we are possibly not going to spill this coffee. I'll spill every coffee I make, I reckon. Nah, Nick, that's 30, man. 0.1% of a Richesse viewer. That is crazy. Has anyone else got that 0.1% spot? Right, let me send some links in, boys. Where's my other phone? Yeah, where did you find that, Nick? Man, fuck you. I feel like lives is. I feel like it might even work in like hours watched or some shit. It might work like that. Let's get this link in. Is that what we're looking at, EU shorts? I think you could skip it. When you boys next to a link up, I might pull through. Bro, we was thinking about doing another one before the end of the year. We're going to do these link ups a lot more now, man, because I'm not going to lie, they are so good. Like, both times we've done them, we've had such a good time, and everyone else has had such a good time. And it really does keep everyone locked in, man, because it also makes you, like, remember that, bro, like, there is so many other men on the journey with you. Like, that's what the boys were saying, man. Like, it's so good doing this because everyone can link up, everyone can talk about their problems. Plus, we can have a 30 time. But we need to go abroad soon. I say we go abroad for the next one next year. Bro, I've got this sun straight in my eyes. Yes, reality bias. How we doing? Yo, bro, I'm short to you. What do you think this show open right now? I would say if you are looking for shorts, come to Sweden, bro. That would be a shout. What, are you in Sweden, Hampus? Bro, you better have. Oh, you know what? You better have on lock, broski. Yeah, born and bred, bro. Yeah, I say we going Sweden, bro. You must know. If you don't know beanies, we ain't coming. We ain't coming, motherfucker. No, but that's the place for Jorns, man. Let me get this, bro. This sun. Oh, I went to send in announcement. I accidentally only added Steve. How did I manage to fuck that up? Sorry, Steve. What the fuck is Gorlock doing there? No questions, gone. We have a good reason. No, this is what we have for TP. It's mainly for Jaylene or Jada. Gorlock was just there. Oh my days. Oh my god, I didn't... Bro. Let me send it in. What we saying, boys? How we doing, man? Yes, Aaron, what we saying? Remember, it's definitely the one below Lou. Let me send in the one... Oh, I've got it on my other phone I'm live on. Right, boys, I'm going to come out of the Discord chat now. I'm going to jump into the YouTube stream. So come jump on there, boys. I see you, man, on there, man. Or TikTok. I'm on either one, boys. Join on either one. People, then. Yes, Daniel, what we saying? Ali, what we saying, broski? GUALG sells. I'll be so honest. I'm massively not liking the look of the continuation of the shorts. I'm still looking for the reversal shorts. I'm looking for more of the DTO move up. The same as what we had for EG, the DTO move down. I'm looking for the same with gold. I'm looking for the same with EU, and I'm looking at the same for GU. And I think that's it. I mean, yen, we're getting a big reversal. Yen's at a really crucial point. Really crucial point. Yes, Junior, what we saying, man? Morning, what time is the giveaway, mate? 2 PM. Giveaways at 2 PM, boys. We're giving away 2 ACG funded accounts, man. If you want to get your hand on one of those, bruv, drop me a message, man. Jaden or Jada, finally, someone who knows who it is, though, bro. This time in the morning, mate, really? It's Friday morning, bro. We're going to need someone like Jaden or Jada to move price. Low volume markets, you need some big fat bitch like Jaden or Jada to move price. And who better than that bitch with that ass? But we still need EU to come down a little bit. We still need G to come down a little bit. Yes, mem. Bro, I thought you died, mem. Let's get a tune on. You know what? We're going to turn it back via Fred again. That will do, man. Victory that. This one's so hard. Right, boys, let's see if we get some more TPs for London session. I feel like we've got a big controversy around EU, GU. GJ shorts after taking Friday 50/Asia's high. I love the sound of that, bro. Have we still got a bit of time then with GJ? Yeah, we haven't actually grabbed the high yet. Let's go war for the next link up near Xmas. We'll all come up, bro, and sing. Yeah, that'd be a shout, man. Next link up, I'm getting Storpy's rocker. Bro, I don't think there'll be nothing funnier, man, than Stu just off his cranium, bro. I think that'll be brilliant. You just know someone's getting punched up. Someone is getting punched. How we doing, TikTok? What's good, man? EU cells. I see a lot of people looking for the EU GU cells. Everyone. What's the reasoning for the EU GU cells, boys? Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm really looking at this DTO for a continuation. But I want to confirm at this DTO level. Yes, Angel, what's good, man? Newcastle rent a penthouse on the time. Josh, how much are they to rent for a couple nights up in Newcastle? I'm out, mate. Didn't get tapped into pre-London. See you Monday, bro. Oh, that's annoying, Rob. Unlucky, boy. But I'll see you on Monday. We'll see what other positions we get. Bro, close that gap in the... Bro, I need to close this gap. I can't even see a thing. I can't see a motherfucker, man. I don't even know how I close these blinds. You know? I've actually not closed these blinds in a minute. Is it this side? Alright. That's the wrong way. You know what? Let me close these. Only for a few birthdays. Pretty cheap when a few people chip in. I mean, we'll just buy it, bro. I mean, we're not going to get you, man, to chip in. We'll buy it for the 2 days. Throw it back to Artizzy, bro. You know what? I'm going to play this. Just for the love of the game. Got a link in, bro. Met her at the ball ring. Should be a 10 if it weren't for the accent. If you're wondering what's the attraction, babe's been round and short. Bro, I need to have Bloomberg in my ear, man, for this. Especially for this day. Z, what we saying, my boy? How we doing, man? Contact me to get cow stocks for free. Contact me to get cow stocks for free. If cow stocks was worth buying, everyone would just buy into it, bro. People wouldn't need it for free. We do Trebs in Newcastle. Man said Trebs, blood. You man are alcohol. Is everyone in Newcastle just alcoholic, bro? Everyone else from Newcastle on here? I still think EG has the potential to drop to Friday low, especially with the momentum we've got on EG. So potentially still got a continuation that we could have. We'll just see the reaction of this last day value. Yeah, Surgical Fessy, what's good, broski? Right, we're at the detail level now. Let's see if we get a closure on a 15 minutes better for a closure on detail, so we can see the reaction on it. But the question is, true or dude? What are you saying, sells or buys? What's it for? For EU, it massively depends on how we react to this DTO. If we get a reversal on this 15 minute, like a nice close and a close above and a wick below, then again I'll be looking for to continue. But if we just drop below, then we look for shorts. There's the thing with ALG this morning, it's not really an ALG trade, just purely based off how bullish the Asian session was. So again, it's you won't really want to short from the high, because you want to confirm that detail isn't just going to continue price to the upside, right? So detail is very key right now. Let me get my Streamlabs up here, man. We've got fundamental updates in the free chat as well, boys. If you need to know the current market bias, Aaron has sent it in this morning. I think it's about 7:30. He sent it into the free chat. So again, if you need help with the current market bias, we've got a current market bias on gold and a few of our FX currencies. Apex, you sent a Siggy in. We got a Siggy, boys. We got a Friday Forex Siggy. What's he sent in? Oh no. Oh, was that earlier? Oh, it was the EU short. It was the EU short. It stop loss to entry, so break even, take partials. That's already about 2R up though, 3R. Maybe even 3R. Is anyone in that EU from the Siggies, boys? It's a lovely EU short, man. I love the EU short. I want to see this reaction to this DTO still. We still got 5 minutes to the close of this candle, so we'll see. Wait, big up fucking West Ham, though, boys. We watched the game. I know we drew, but... Get in, you fuck! Yeah! Whoa! West Ham are so hard, bro. In fact, Slappo. Fuck you, broski. Proper performance, man. Proper East End performance. I'll be honest, I'll take a 1-1 draw against. I mean, Man U at the moment is shit, so it's a good time that we're playing Man United. You man, at the moment, it's so dry. Had a bet builder, only selection that let me down was Man United to win. I don't get. You deserve that. I didn't. You actually deserve that, bro. No cap, you deserve that shit. Big uni city as well, so nightclub's always busy every day as well. Yeah, I bet. Bro, it's not even that. I swear everyone in Newcastle just goes out, bro. Like, everyone, I feel like anyone in Newcastle, bro, you probably are a pisshead. Like, I feel like the average, like, let's just say, like, person from the age of 20 to 30 probably is a pisshead. Really, innit? You man have probably got bare cheap alcohol. I bet the tax just don't apply to you, man. That's probably why you man have got bare alcoholics. You man love Trent and alcohol. But no, that's definitely a shout, man. Leeds, though. I don't know about Leeds. I'll be honest. I'm not knowing about Leeds. I don't know that many people from Leeds or even that area. Oh, bro, you're talking about football. My bad. Who did Leeds play last night? Oh no, they played the other night. 3-1. It's insane. To be fair, bro, yeah, I heard about it. Apparently they put in a pretty good. Apparently they put in a decent performance against City as well. I don't know when they played though. You boys know I've massively been out of football. You man know my ball knowledge is very limited. Like, I've got better ball knowledge of football about 10 years ago, 20 years ago. I don't know football anymore, man, I'll be honest. I don't know players anymore. Yeah, man, that's crazy. Hey, we got any Leeds supporters in here, man? Probably no one. Who in the world supports Leeds, by the way? Even if you're from Leeds, I'm sure you probably support, like... I mean, you boys are up north, right? So you man probably support United or some shit, or City. Hey, Syrup's in the giveaway. Alright, boys, 2 funded account giveaways today. Giving away 2 25k ACG accounts. If you want to get into that, boys, drop me a message, man. This 15-minute closure looks like it is going to close at bath. We've got 2 minutes left, actually. We'll see. Maybe not. Let's keep Sophie Rain up there. Let's see if those breasts bounce and just allow Price to keep going. That's like sort of where we're at right now. Wait, are you allowed her on TT? Probably not, right? Okay. But this is why I think Apex is Siggy's smart, especially when he was talking about stop loss or break even, and now looking at Price could reverse at this detail level. I love how Apex is actually priced that risk in. Leeds have a huge fan base, get like 45k. Ooh, 45k. That's nuts, bro. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not too sure about Leeds. It was just your turn. Oh, who remembers Dave's victory lap, man? This is probably one of the hard, like, in my opinion, man, this might be one of the hardest raps, like freestyles. I feel like these type of raps are just never freestyles though, but like this is so hard. Look at that DTO, lads. This is why you always watch this how ALG plays, how Asia plays out. Let's see where this closure goes though. We've still got like 20 seconds. Woo! Yeah, Siggy Group cooking hard. EU's running nice. Stop loss break even. All risk free today. Yesterday was up 4R as well in the SIGs. We might get this closure below. No, we didn't get this closure. So that is what I would be careful with EU now. 3 P's. What we saying, TikTok? How we doing, boys? Who's in it, man? Dylan, Reality, Read My Bio, Albex, what's good? Lewis, Derb, Fardy, Dan A, Dan, Kim, Ben, Stefan, Montana, Seb, Harrison, Lou, Mahi, Celine, Yurt, Celine, Janice, Main, GG, what we saying, my people, them? Yes, Noah, what's good, cuzzy? Close to Kenton. Mace, when you say 2 funded accounts, it sounds like you're giving away 2 live accounts. You definitely need 2 evaluations, right? Boys, you can't give away ACG just already funded accounts. Experiencing. But yeah, no, there are challenges, of course. I've been cooked this week. Nasdaq PA has been awful. Equities at the moment aren't doing great, especially US equities. European equities, different story. European equities are booming. I mean, we're still seeing JER 40, boom. We're still seeing an absolute boom. Again, we've still not seen gold to DTO, so I still want to see gold come down a little bit further before we start longing. But I like the way we've slowed down price. Wait, let me get something to help price to the DTO actually. The meet and greet. Back then cinema was sweet. Chinese man with a DVD. PYT on my FYP, FYI, I got a BRB. It's STSANT from Rowan on SW16. I'm cool and clean, I'm hurt. I just wanna find my queen. Paper, pussy and power. Paper, power, pussy. It's been that order. Don't answer up and no caller. Yeah. I think it's very smart putting stop loss or break even though. And again, boys, if you're in this short in EU, I would definitely put stop loss break even in this, especially because we were already up like 4R on EU in the last week. Where did we all get in for this? What are you trying to be? What's your aspiration? Yo! No way, it has to be Gangsta Rise too, bro. That's a joke. Well, hit me with a curveball then, bro. Not gonna lie. Where's his TP2s? 375, yeah? I think the stop loss, honestly, I think the stop loss of break even is very smart, especially with the Friday trade. Especially with this reaction onto this DTO level here. This is mainly where I was looking for longs, but still, I love this position, man. Want a long soon? I'm honestly looking for the longs, but I need that reaction at the DTO first. It's killing me inside. Things I sacrifice for this life. Oh, bro, is it part 3 then? I'm thinking of. Is Forex Factory down? I haven't actually looked at Forex Factory yet, bro. I normally look at PRQ. Investing.com's economic calendar is normally what I look at, bro. Forex Factory, is Forex Factory down? Yes, it is down. Holy shit, yeah, it's down. PRQ sweets, boys. I can't sit into the chat, but someone in the Vish, you've got it, bro. If you're in the YouTube, or anyone who uses PRQ sweets, by the way, boys, whenever we're live on TikTok, we're always live on YouTube, so make sure to come join on there if you want to see my full screen. But PRQ sweets, boys, is the one. PRQ sweets. Someone send their link in if you can. But yeah, at the moment I'm using investing.com. Again, you can filter it to whatever way you want. It's down as well. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. No economic calendar right now is active. Bro, what the shit? What's your aspirations? But yeah, it's down. We're down on. Bro, is every economic calendar down, bro? What the shit? Wait, boy, someone check another economic calendar to see if it's down. Because, yeah, man, they actually are. The two I use are down. In gold buyers 4202. I was looking to buy gold a little bit later. I didn't want to see price come to the DTO. That's mainly what I'm looking at for gold this morning. Boys, we've already hit 1 TP. Oh, look at the reaction. That's Friday Low, man. That's got Friday Low's name all over it. No cap. That's got Friday's Low name all over it, bro. We've got to be coming for that low. But I still want to see gold come down, man. Still want to see it come down. Who remembers this? Woo! Dealing with the sticker. GDP red folder news at 10 a.m. Is that GDP for the EU then? Wait, Aki, what folder are you using? What economic calendar are you using? Looks like we're continuing. Boys, if this TPs, that is 9R in 2 days in the signals. That's a phase 1 pass on the funded account. Boys, if you're not in the signals, man, you're taking a mick. What calendar are you using, Aki? Europe. What calendar are you using? I want to have a little deep dive into it. I'll leave you with no hair. Match trader. I haven't got an account on Match trader, man. About 10 PM. Polish mayonnaise, are you taking it to use low to Friday low? I think most men are taking it to Friday low. Siggy's taking it to low. Forex factory will put it down as well to the coins. Bro. Yeah, we down. Let me have a look. Revenge tastes so delicious. Let's have a look. Bro, what news do we have today? Does it say it must be, if it's 10 AM it has to be EU? Bro, I can't get a serious answer, man. What do we have it for? Because surely the European GDP is looking to increase. That's sort of where I'm at with the GDP. Everything's all wet. Right, gold's still coming down. We still need to see a bit more of a movement down for gold. EU longs after 9:30. Sorry, buddy. Never be sorry, Tyre, bro. What's your reasoning for the long at 9:30, bro? And yeah, where are you longing from, bro? Blade. Split. Dealing with this nigga. I don't fuck with that nigga. GJ, we're looking at for GJ. I mean, again, for me, I'm still looking at the yen to pull up. But we are in a vital area for the yen right now. This area is what we want, where we want to see price react from. So again, it massively depends if we have the move up or if we have the move down. Continue. This is a very vital fair value for price. If we continue off this, therefore bullish. Oh, I've not heard this one in a minute, bro. GJ shorts. I would look for GJ shorts, 100%. 100% GJ shorts. But what's making the dollar go up? What is it? The news yesterday? No. It's just a corrective move, bro. The news yesterday was short-term strength for the dollar, but the problem with that is the labour market is still weakening. So yes, we had less unemployment, but we still have the labour market softening, right? And that is Short-term bullish, obviously, because we've had decent unemployment data, but at the same time, because we are still having cuts in jobs, NFP coming up dreadful, ADP, less jobs opening, we are still seeing the labour market soften, so it is still weak for the dollar. So that is why we're still looking at that continuation of the weak dollar. When is the signals discount ending? Today, bro. And again, boys, if you sign up for either mentoring or signals today, you get 2 entries into the ACG accounts we're giving away today. We give away 2 ACG accounts every single first Friday of the month, just like NFP, boys. Every single first Friday of the month, we give away 2 accounts to our members. You arsehole. Looking for longs around here on EU. Lovely stuff, bro. Fair dues, man. We'll see how they go. This is what we're currently in with the Siggies. Stop loss break even, I'm pretty sure. Apex has told us to put it 2, so still running really nice, 1 to 5. I feel like I definitely think EU's going to come up at some point today. DTO is not the reason, so I definitely see I still see EU coming down now. The Asia's low might be a reversal point. I don't think we've got Asia liquidity, so I don't think we're really going to take that as a reversal. I think Friday low could be the reversal point. But right now, price can't really react to anything. It looks like we trade for the DTO. Actually, where's the 15? Because I don't think we've had a 15-minute close below the DTO. We haven't. We've still got to wait for this candle. We've got 3 minutes. We'll see the reaction here. I still think the stop loss or break even on that Siggy is a very smart idea. Again, you can take it off whenever you want, but it's the DTO that could cause us to move back up. So that 15-minute closure below is crucial if we do want to see price to continue down. Bimmer. Bro, Cloudflare down. Again, can't see Forex Factory. Right, man. Wait, that might fuck gold a little bit, right? Oh, bro. See, look, that tune pisses me off because the tune pulled up. It's an absolute banger. But then, bro, like, you listen, it's the exact same beat as that fucking Fredo song, bro. Pulled up. I can't remember the name of the guy who sings it. But then I'm pulled up. Oh, bro, what's it called, man? Pulled up, bro. It's definitely pulled up. It's definitely. Is it this guy? Oh, what's that tune called, man? What is that called? We've had no manipulation of highs on EU. We have. I mean, we've had a manipulation of Asia's high. That's something what we've had, and we've had a main manipulation of yesterday's main liquidity during New York session, which would give us a significant push down. Again, this lower time frame structure is still pointing us to the downside, and you got to bear in mind right now, it's the only things that move price isn't just liquidity levels. When price is overbought or oversold. Overbought. I'm not going to write it again for oversold. But if we're overbought or oversold, price will move directionally, obviously, in regards to if we're overbought or oversold. Right now, EU's overbought. Right now, we've had such a weak dollar, you're going to see a correction in price. No market will ever move in one direction. Exact same reason why gold's had pretty much had that the exhaustion phase we're in right now with gold. Same reason we're seeing EG come down. The pound's definitely not stronger than the euro by any means, but we're still seeing the correction in EU. Again, when assets are overbought or oversold, in regards to what investors think, they'll push market in a certain direction. So it's not always manipulation that moves price. It's also whether an asset is overbought or oversold. So I can see why EU would come down. The bullishness of what we've had makes sense. And again, Friday, low volume day, is normally just a manipulative day anyway. That's the thing to note about Friday. But again, we've not seen any reaction putting us back to the upside. I still want EU buyers, bro. I'm on your side. I still want to see EU buyers. But this is what we got in the Siggies, and we've not seen any entries for buyers yet. Or any reaction that would really point to us that we're having some form of reversal, man. Am I restricted on here? You know how we sort this? You know how we sort this? We end the live, and we go again. We end the live, and then we go again. Just got the Siggies. Hopefully can pass my funded now. And one question, please. Don't be biased on it. Should take all the trades posted or just remove loot? All the trades posted, bro. All the Forex, all the gold. All of them. Place them all. Place them all. What the Signals group is, boys, right? It's a decentralized platform. And the way this is exactly how a fund works, right? In a fund, you have fund traders. You don't just have one or two traders. You have fund traders that make up the fund. And obviously, that's where you get to see big percentages because you've got different traders trading different things, different assets, different strategies for one fund, but holding a certain amount of money, right? That's how a fund trades. And that's exactly what we've done with Signal Group. We've got, 4 or 5 traders, right, that come in, place their trades, and then you can place them all. You place them all and they're profitable, perfect. But that's how a fund works. And that's sort of the approach we've taken with the Signals. So that's why it works so well. That's why it works so well. It's a fun perspective. Yo, motherfucker! It's a fun perspective, boys. So it's done the exact same way. So take them all, man. Take them all. Sorry, man. I made you, man, fail. Hey, Mummy Avalena. Mommy. Yeah, but it's a geezer in the profile pic. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck is you on, brother? Yo, mate, is there a reason the indicator shows detail 4 AM, yours is 5 AM? Yeah, the detail on our detail on our indicator is actually not working. It still says 4 AM. It should have changed it when clocks went back, but clocks haven't. But the indicator's not sorted itself out. The indicator's not sorted itself out. So yeah, what I've done, bro, is I've taken DTO of the settings. I took the detail off, and then now I just manually put the detail on for the time being. We've got Vish who's made a new indicator though that has it working, so we'll send that out when we've got it all working, man. Is it Ruski pulled up? That is not it, bro. Bro, what's that song called? No, what? Fuck you. You're playing some Shoreline Mafia. I manually put it on. Buyers for EU. At the moment, we're weak. I'm still looking at main buyers for EU. Daily perspective bullish. So I think the sell down is great. This is what we've got in the signals right now. It's currently running about 2.5, 3 hour up. It ain't no major. I can never be a hater. Stop loss break even I think is very smart because I think we are overall bullish EU. But this is a great short from the edge of time, man. Did we get the closure on the 15? Yeah, we got the closure below. Shoreline are cold, trust me, man. You heard that song called Work? No? I mean, no, man said Shoreline Mafia Work, bro. I don't think I've heard that. Oh, this video is insane. I ain't heard this one, man. This seems newer. We're having a bit of reaction upside now. This is the position I really want to move up on you. Not this trade, bro. So this is a trade we've got in our signals. Why is someone belling me? We've got a. This is what we have in our signals, right? Let me get the signals group up, boys, so you man can see it. Bro, why is this guy fucking belling me, man? What the fuck? Bro, if anyone bells my phone, alright, let me just block this guy's number, bro. What the fuck? So this is the EU we had. This is the entry. And obviously stop loss at break even, so we're pretty much safe in this trade. But we are we're still up on this EU buy yesterday. This is the EU we had yesterday that smashed. So right now we're working with some nice pros. So that's why stop loss is at break even for that one. But me personally, I'm still kind of looking for the EU buy. But again, we've had no real reaction telling us we're coming up yet, so I can still assume we're still coming down, really. Yeah, Shaq, what we saying, bro? How we doing, man? You don't use Telegram? Nah, man, we don't use Telegram. Discord only, bro. Discord only. We've got a community over in the Discord. We've got a big community over in the Discord. Mate, don't you think EU would come to the internal 4 hour? Definitely a possibility, but the reason I don't massively is because of what we done with this 1 hour move. This is the high volume area. So this 1 hour order block, this is what I've got marked out here in grey, is where we reacted from, which is the high volume area. We've got an order block there, which I've got marked out, and we had a really nice reaction off of that. So can price go lower? It can. But obviously, in terms of the best reaction, it would be at the higher volume area, which we've come to. So this move up now, for me, makes sense. But yeah, bro, honestly, it definitely can come to the 4 hour. Definitely come lower. DXY, we could definitely have a rebalance into the 4 hour range. But again, like, it can, right? I'm using words like it could, it can. But I'm still bullish, boys. That's what I've been looking at all morning. EG sells is what we caught on pre-London this morning. So boys, if you're an early bird, you got into this. I mean, I just showed you boys 2 areas you could have shorted from down to the Friday low. And yes, that is Jalen Ojeda and Gorlock. Mate, he's playing Heat Stick. Oh, that's a fucking banger, bro. Hey, for they go trying to take me out, trying to see what I'm about, and I know what I'm ready for. I'm going through some things, but I still maintain. Bro, this song's making me want to crip walk, bro. I don't know what it is, man. Gold detail rejection, maybe. Absolutely, bro. Go! DTO, baby! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Yeah, motherfucker! That's what we want to see, bro. That's exactly what we want to fucking see. Shut up, bitch! Detail all day long. We've got to move up from here. Give me that reaction, boy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Detail is a daily trope and high volume area within Asia, New York close. 5 AM. We actually didn't come to the DTO. We actually haven't come to it yet. We actually still got to calm down a little bit. I just clocked. Yeah, this is such a tune, man. Gold, we still got to come. We haven't actually come to the detail yet. We still got to see that to the detail. Yo, wait. Get your ass over here, bitch. Bro, this guy stop fucking belling me off. People don't realise, when you don't answer one call, I'm not going to answer the 8th. Jesus Christ. SMT with gold futures. Pow, pow. Oh, that must be us DTO though, right? Oh, okay, no, still not. Oh, look at EG. Oh, fuck off. Bro, Friday. I might start trading Fridays. Holy motherfucker. Bro, you taking the mick, bro. Vish! What is this? This is hard, man. Yo, what the fuck? What is that thing in the pink on the right, bro? That's what you call cooch. Hey boys, left or right? Let's do a poll on the TikTok. Let's do a, how do we do a poll again? I remember you can do polls and shit. Poll. Quick poll. Boys, happy face for the bitch on the left, sad face for the bitch on the right. True or dude? Bro, this is a banger, bitch. What the fuck? Nah, on gang, this is real, bro. Bro, no way the arrows, like, unironically, like... I'm not gonna say anything. Left or right? Who wins this? Yo, why is this neck and neck, bro? 5 minutes. Yo, wait. Yo, sorry. I didn't mean to delete that. Still no reaction. No longs on EU yet. We still continue with this Siggy. Detail hasn't reacted off yet. We'll wait for this closure. We've not come to the DTO, but I guess we can take that. We just need to see a reaction back up. If we see that, then we've actually got no fair value here. We've got a 15 minute. No. Morning, what's your bias for GU? Yes, bias for GU at the moment bearish, but bullish overall. Fucking I'm not gonna say anything. Holy shit! We still want to see it back down to the DTO, so back to the Pride low EG. Gold's got that movement off the DTO. We need to see a closure here on the 5. Oh, this is a banger. The process is a good part. Life of a Princess. Who is that? I feel like I should know who that is. What's your name? I appreciate the heart, B. Hi, broski. They both anti-man. No, Jaylee, no Jada's no. The one on the left one, a geezer. Am I detailed wrong on gold? Oh, don't say that. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god, it was wrong. Bro, why have I got a detail wrong twice this morning, bro? I mean, that works good for me. Fucking hell, bro. I've done that twice this morning. Now we moving. We want a 5 minute fair value. That's what we want. We just want to see price continue here. Give us a 5 minute fair value on its most recent candle. Then we can look to long gold. Do you use detail like a premium discount level or support resistance? Both, bro. Can definitely be used for both. Yeah. Can definitely be used as both. It depends what scenario. Like for example, if you're looking at like let's just say a move to like let's just say gold, right? We're using it here for a support for the continuation of Asia session, right? But if you're using it for ALG, then you want your DTO to be below price if you're shorting or vice versa. DTO above price if you're longing. But for like this, for example, here we're using it more as a support level. Stop loss on gold. Good question. It depends. We'll see what our trade is, bro. But really the DTO low. Because if we're assuming price, again, what a stop loss is, boys, is in hindsight, it's obviously where your trade stop loss is, right? But really what it is if your trade is invalidated, that should be your stop loss, right? So that is the reason behind your stop loss should be this now invalidates my trade. So if we're saying prices bounce off a support level, being our DTO, my stop loss is that move. So my stop loss will be here because I'm assuming that price is now moving up from the DTO for the continuation, right? If I'm right, perfect. If I'm wrong, price is going to drop below this level. There's no point in having my stop loss down here because then I'm just going to be in a fucking annoying trade that I do not want to be in purely off the basis of we've already invalidated my trade, right? So it massively depends. We actually not got a 5 minute here. Fuck! We actually still don't have that 5. Do you guys not use standard deviations? No, bro. Where did that stop? Well, I was bargaining. Shaq, my bro, man. You actually you made my gold move valid. Just give us some fair values, though, man, for fuck's sake. So we can actually see a bit more of a bias. Yeah, let me slap the new indicator on. Wait, why is my... Midnight, it's on. It's not on gold. I've not got it on. Yeah, why is it not showing up? Alright, gold buys, boys. That's our new positions. In buys. What buys you in 007? I don't normally come to your lives, but I come Lou every morning. Fair dues. You must trade London session. That makes sense. Yeah, my detail was wrong, bro. This is a banger. But yeah, I don't have it, Vish. Appreciate the follows, boys. Right, any questions you might have right now, feel free to. If I missed anything as well, let me know. What charts you use for FXCM? You use FXCM. My detail is different slightly. Yeah, I use Awanda, bro. I trade FTMO and ACG accounts, so that's why I use Awanda. Much closer to price for me. In terms of equities, I can't remember what equities I use. Send me your settings. I've definitely got midnight line on, 100%. 100%. 8:30 open. It's not 8:30 open. Oh, bro, that's why. Oh, that's why. DTO's literally. Oh, that's why. Wait, hold on. What time do I want it? Is it London? No, that should be right then. No? That should be right. Two 6:25. That makes no sense. So it needs to be 1:30. No. be so honest, I don't actually know. Not a clue. Oh, right. Oh, is it in New York? Is it in London time? So now they're at 6 and 5:50. Oh, we'll sort it out after, bro. We'll sort it out after. God, you gotta give us a 5-minute off of here, man. You got to. Yeah, it'll be it's a new upgraded indicator. A lot more in it. Are you still going though, lads? Still moving. I'd really don't want to miss these gold opportunities. This Cherries, what you saying, bro? Yeah, when is that? We'll drop it. I'll drop it at the end of this. I'll drop it at the end of this week. On the weekend, I'll drop it. Yeah, 5 minutes the lowest time frame I'll go on, bro. It's the lowest time frame I'll be going on. Always. Yeah, hey, Charis, I'll be so honest, bro. You've missed this EG shot we had. We had this in pre-London. What is this method, bro? This is meta, man. I'll go through the method in a hot sec, my broski. EU that we had through the SIGs. And then we potentially got some more gold longs coming in. Sophie range shorts, you know the move. It's pretty much an enticement, boys. Price is enticed to liquidity, right? Well, we don't want gold to move without us, holy shit. Buys of detail all day long, man. The reaction we've had off here is lovely. Gold may look clean. Mahi, bro, I'm on that shit. Yeah, shitty liquidity, man. I'll be honest, if I was priced, man, I'd be dropping like I'd be dropping like a turd, bro. If that was my TP, I'd be dropping like a turd, man. You're taking a piss. Sesame, my fucking family, bro. How we doing, man? What's good, broski? How we doing? Yeah, gold's low-key already flying. It needs to chill the fuck out, bro. Holy shit. Calm back down for us, man. Woo! I want to get some... I haven't had gold buy in fucking probably about a month. Not really been seeing great opportunities. But the detail move to the upside looks tasty. We'll see the closure of this 5. We're going to continue for 5 minutes. Let's see our volume within this area. We need higher volume within this area. We need it. Right, yeah, we can definitely come back lower into that range. That's good. That's good. Danny, what's good? Sadiq, what's good, bro? Cess, I'm always good, my boy. You know me, man. Can never complain, man. Can never complain. If I ever complain, boys, just kill me. Kill me. Well, where the fuck is it then? Just give me the detail. Yeah, bro, I'll be real with this. We'll do this after. We'll have a look at it after. We'll go over that after, bro. We still with City, you continue down, man. Back on my trading AC. Come on, bro. Sis, how long you been out, bro? How long you been trading for? By the way, boys, we always stream on YouTube. Come join on the YouTube. Let me put Richesse effects. Our YouTube is literally... really hard to type 2 letters there for some reason. I was really fading there. We got about just over 2 minutes. Just over 2 minutes of this candle closure. Fair value gap on gold, yeah. We just got to wait for this closure of this candle though. Boys, I've been on the stream since 7 o'clock this morning. EG, we've already slapped in the mouth early morning. Still looking for it to come lower as well. EU, Siggy that we've had in the chat. That's running about, I don't know, make that about 2.5 hour up. Maybe even, yeah, 2.5 hour. And then we've potentially got some gold buyers that we could be looking for London sessions as well. Late London. No, it might not be late London. We might even see entries quite soon. The sun goes down, leaves everything I want. And you say, our tears dry on their own. He walks away. So I just want to put this out in the story, boys, 2 seconds. Why did I get rid of that as such a tune? Let's put more somewhere coming up. Bro! Man, there's nothing better than being unemployed, boys. I'll be so honest with you. I feel like for some reason every song just hits way better. 2. Right, I scored you past 10 minutes ago. You had a long position, now you changed to shorts. What pair? What pair, D? Five-minute goal close. Shush. 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 Yeah, D, what pair? The show said, yeah, that was a signal that was sent in about, 10 to 8, so about fucking 2 hours ago nearly. This TP is a little bit insane. I definitely went too far with this TP. You don't need all that, motherfucker. You don't need all that on gold. What's the PLY you marked on EU? The PLY marked out on EU is the 1 hour. So this is where we can start to see price reverse. But we've not seen any reversal level. We've not seen price reverse at all yet. We've just seen a correction of that weaker euro. Which makes me feel like we can come to the Friday low and then sort of that will be our reaction for the move up. I'll be honest, I'm still looking for EU to come up. I'm still looking for that. But we've seen no reason why it should just yet. Detail, no, it was just, I'll show you the signals, boys. This was it. So entry was, if I can zoom in to that bit, 16655. That's what entry was when it was sent in. Entry 1655. This is the trade we got here. Stop loss is at break even. Bro, I'm still not getting emails on my Richesse team. This is fucking annoying. Mate, check GJ. Are we still coming down? Are we still coming down on the end? GJ must have grabbed the high now though. Oh, nice. Fucking hell. Yeah, nice. No, 5 minutes. Oh, no, we have. Yeah, but I want to see a reaction on the yen though, man. Because we could just continue up right now. That Friday 50 as well. Asia's high, bro. GJ can be nice. But we want to see a reaction on the yen around this Friday 50. Then we can see a little bit more. You getting in non-gold, boys? I don't trade Fridays. I do not trade Fridays, so I'm not getting into any trades. None. Zero. Nonetheless, these positions are still bare nice. Nonetheless. Let's see how many TPs we can get on Friday, man. A day that me and Lou don't even trade. Oh, boy, I'll post that on the front. Do a trade, do a trade. Was you bong from your dad's bum or something, bro? Do a trade. Probably running way more than 2.5 finals. We're slowing down heavily as soon as we started coming to the lower volume areas of London Sesh. If you find a quality setup, how come you won't trade it on a Friday? Purely off data, bro. Again, if you let me put it in this perspective to you, right? If every single Friday, right, let's just say you had a choice to work Friday. Let's just say this. You had a choice to work Friday. Let's just say how do I put this from a different perspective? How do I put this into a different perspective? I don't know, I can't think of anything. But Fridays always show me through data that ALG just isn't great. Too much manipulation, not enough volume for the high volume moves, for the big moves that you want to see. Friday's the worst day to move price. It's the worst day. Again, everyone knows this as well. I mean, if you don't know this, then understand this. Most investors don't trade Friday. Most traders don't trade Friday. Most hedge funds don't trade Friday. There is so much big money out there that is not in the markets on Friday. It's almost a joke, and you'll realise why your worst positions will be on Friday. I've lost my most amount of losses is on a Friday. That's why I don't trade Friday. Are you in? This trade hasn't come back in yet, bro. This gold, if you was on about the gold. This EU is what we've got in the signals group for today. Stop losses at break even. We're currently running safely about 2 hour up. This is the SIG he sent in this morning at 10 to 7. Which day is the best day according to you? Well, my data shows the best days are Tuesday and Wednesday. They are the best days. I wouldn't give you a definitive answer for the best day of the week. It massively depends on the schematic. But on average, Tuesday and Wednesday are the best days, definitively, 100%, 100%. Most volume, most big moves happen midweek. And most news events come out Tuesday, Wednesday, so you can trade off of the most high impact news events you can, which will give you a very nice directional bias. Not trade before, but trade after. Take the data into the face and actually realise how to trade data properly, and you'll understand that Tuesday and Wednesday are the best days, without a shadow. That has always been the case, for me anyways. Right, yen, we've still seen nothing from price. DXY is having a little reaction around the DTO. Got to keep our eyes closed. Stand is 15. Hopefully gold just doesn't run off. Don't want to see gold run off. Hell no, brother. Hell no. Depends on the news, 100%. It depends if the economy needs it as well. Like, all news events aren't, all data drops aren't massive. But then obviously if the economy needs it, then it'll have a big effect. Especially if people are expecting like a big shift. Alright boys, give me a tune to play, man. Someone give me a banger. Someone give me a banger. I'm going to play this one whilst you man are thinking. No, it's a new one, Cess. It's a new indicator we're dropping. It's a brand new thing. But we'll drop it soon. Knock one up for me, it's freezing. Oh, don't just run off of that, please, gold. I want your position, buddy. Do you ever trade NAS 100, mates? I've started to look into equities a bit more. The Nasdaq and also the S&P. GJ Shorts is just a no-go. Look at the daily sweep into the fair value gap. Oh, that sweep was so nice. That sweep was really nice. See if we see price continue down or start reversing. M4, you know what? I'm actually bare happy you asked me that question. If you find a quality setup, how come you won't trade it on Friday? Don't settle for less, boys. If you know something doesn't work, just because something looks great and you want to jump in, the main reason why you'd want to jump in is because you're just being greedy and you're being a bit stupid. You're ignoring data that's telling you it's not the best day to trade, right? If you ignore your data, it will go against you. I promise you that. I promise you that. I say that I feel like recently I've been much better on Fridays though, just with continuations. How are the news How are the news for USA at 4 p.m? Should I not trade? It depends when you're looking to trade, bro. It depends when you're looking to trade. If you are, again, trading New York session like 2:30 onwards, where you probably will because you want the most amount of volume, especially on a Friday, for the New York Stock Exchange Open is the best time to trade. I'd say no. What is the news? Because all my investing comes back. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Is Forex Factory back? Oh, okay. Forex Factory's back. Fuck. So let's have a look what we got for today. So prelim consumer isn't massive. Core PC price index these aren't massive news events. What are they looking for? The dollar. PC price index and the same. So obviously just nothing, no movement. Consumer sentiment looking to come up. So obviously better, a bit more into the expansion phase, pushing to the 52, which again is in that in the expansion phase. So yeah, it's bullish for the dollar. Hold on, motherfuckers. Great answer, bro. Sometimes less is more. 100%, bro. Honestly, once you start realizing less is more, you start realizing how to make money with trading. Right? It's not about being aggressive. It's about being aggressive at the right times. Patience is so key, man. Just like any martial arts, boys. Just like any martial arts, right? Again, you'll see the best fighters, not always. I mean, again, there's actually some boxers that are against that. Like Bivol, for an example, he will continue to punch. But I'd say the best boxers, but Bivol was definitely number one in his division. But again, I guess it's a strategy, right? I guess it is a strategy. Most of the best boxers historically have been boxers that pick times to go for those punches, right? There's a lot of boxers, a lot of professional boxers that won't just constantly punch. Or what they'll do is they'll set themselves up for the perfect punch, which is what we really try to do with trading, right? For example, let's just say we're in a Muay Thai fight, right? All I'm trying to do is open up that certain section where I can kick you as hard as I can in your cranium. That sounds mad. Probably can't even say that on TT, but I'm looking for that opening. And maybe for the first round or first 2 rounds, maybe I don't see that opening. Maybe I'm still trying to open up that cranium, but your guard's still high. But then I realise maybe into round 3 or 4, I see that opening. I'll go for more low kicks and I see your guard dropping. And then I'll go for that fake, I'll go for that question mark, stay low, come high, and I'll knock you clean out. And again, that's like the perspective you should have. Because you're not always looking for that knockout punch. In fact, you're waiting for that opening to open, where then you can go ahead and then knock them out, right? Same thing as trading, man. Same thing as trading. We're going to see how this EU reacts. MMA, yeah. No, I'm more Muay Thai, but I say I love Muay Thai. I'm a Muay Thai guy, man. I mean, I've always boxed. Boxing is my forte. But Muay Thai, I honestly don't think there's anything funner than throwing kicks. I think throwing kicks is one of the funnest things. In fact, when I jump off this, I'm probably going to go in my garage and kick the bag for about an hour. I don't think there's anything funner. Like, honestly. Oh, what a tune, bro. Give me 2 secs, boys. I just need to fucking force out a stream. I had this conversation with my mum the other day, yeah? Hands down, this is the tune. Dentist Paradise. Just like the photo for it. But honestly, bro, I had this conversation with mum the other day, bro. Definitively the worst food to ever be grown is beetroot. People that like beetroot, on God, I hate you, bro. I hate you. I'll get on the last fair value gap in Asia, confirmed M4, IFEG close above, love that. Love that. How's our EU running? Are we we're continuing above it. This is when we can possibly start having this buy up. This is when we can start possibly having this buy up. We're going to need to wait for this round, this rage. Brussels sprouts. No, man, you see what it is? Beetroot is the one. What? You have beetroot on toast, bro. On God, beetroot just tastes like ground, like just tastes like floor, tastes like dirt. Mushrooms, I fuck with mushrooms heavily. Broccoli, I fuck with heavily. But beetroot, man said you have beetroot on toast, bro. Are you in the fucking 1800s, man? Bro, are you in post World War I? How can you not like beetroot? What, bro? Mainly because it tastes like the fucking floor. Bro, beetroots literally taste like dirt. Like, it tastes like dirt. I understand different taste buds and that, yeah? I understand that. I understand it. Have you never had a beetroot sandwich? Mate, who saw fucking headbutt first? What? Bro, what are you man on about? You man have got to be taking the mick. Haha, damn you, I love beetroot. Bro, what the fuck, bro? I work in the kitchen, a dessert, beetroot and cherry. Bro, what in the fuck? Beetroot is war food. Bro, beetroot is awful. Beetroot is dead. See, I fuck with you, cherries. If you like beetroot, on my days, you even have a palate, bruv. Do you even have a palate, blood? EG is gone. Woo! EG coming back up. I think it's the euro. We're getting that euro strength back. We're getting that euro strength back. Oh, so gold, come back to entry. Stop pissing about, please. Thank you. EG isn't coming to the prior day low, which for me means that we're probably going to come up to come down. Wow, that is not what I wanted. Come up to come down. That's mainly it. We'll see this reaction back up, but it looks like we possibly have a reversal here though. But again, bear in mind, we've not actually broke above this high. We've got a closure above, so again, we're not really looking for it yet. Beetroot sandwich with Marmite. Mate, I swear to God, bro, I'd rather actually eat like fecal matter. Like, I would actually rather eat like a block of nitrogen, bruv. Man said a beetroot and Marmite sandwich. Man, I'd rather eat the bottom of your crepe. Bro, I'd rather eat the sole of your shoe, bro. I would rather eat the sole of a Timberland boot, bro, than a fucking beetroot and Marmite sandwich. You are crazy. Just had positive EU data. What did we have? Was it the GDP that we just had come out at 10? Yeah, we had revised GDP come out stronger. I've been saying this, boys. What did I say about the growth in Europe? I've been saying this. We are going to be having steady growth. We're going to be having steady growth in the EU for the next 2 years, especially in Germany. Growth is going to be great in Europe. Interest rates are low. Inflation is low. EU is bullish. The euro is bullish. The euro is a bullish currency right now. Like I said, the only positions I'm going for is the EU buyers. Nonetheless, though, man, still can't get over how great this signal was. We're stop loss break even, so for Apex trade we're kind of risk free now at this point. But I'm kind of anticipating we might start moving up now. Sophie Rain, you can stay on the charts, babes. What about gold? Gold, are you still going to sit around piss about? Yeah, we are. Marmite sandwich with beetroot chunks and soft cheese. Man said soft cheese, man. Like, what cheese possibly, like bruv. Beetroot and Marmite. Beetroot disrespect. Low-key E just like a retracement. Is that the retracement to the upside, or is it to the upside, Zion? Zion? Bro, that's a bare cool name, bro. Zion, that's a sick name. Zion Adam. Bro, that name goes hard, bro. You should fight. You should start Muay Thai or boxing or something. Bro, I'd pay to watch you just for the fucking name. Are you taking a mic? Would you back the GU cells? GJ cells? I would back GJ cells. Again, though, what I would need to see before that, so I wouldn't back it just yet. I need to see a reaction from the yen to start moving up. This slowdown's perfect, but I want to see the reaction back to the upside. Really, bro, what those hoes do in there? Oh, hoes, bro. These hoes are here to complement the trades. This is just our strategy, bro. We don't look at anything other than just putting beanies on the chart. The only indicator we ever use is this one right here. You should look what we got on fucking EG, bro. Holy shit. Legit though, no cap. This is the way of trading, man. This is the new way of trading. If we get this closure, wait, we kind of did have it. We want a closure in a 15-minute to indicate that price is reversing. So we still got a little bit more time. Cheerleaders, I like that. Cheerleaders. Crazy business, bro. Crazy business. But again, if we get the reaction off of this order block / fair value just below, then again we're probably going to see price continue to move down. So if we react off this bearish here and continue down, makes sense, right? If we get a trade through, not even a trade through, it's mainly this fair value on a trade through. If we get a trade through this fair value, then we can only assume price is going to start continuing up. Let me just get rid of that just to not confuse anyone. Gold, come back down, please. Don't just move. It's actually staying where it's at. It's actually not really done much. Centre back. That's what he centre back. GU. Okay, yeah. GU still got a little bit to do. Proper tarts, bruv. It's like your bird licking the tip and then saying, nah, headache thing. Oh, since November, gold been presenting positions but not giving entries. Such a dry month, bro. I can't even tell you how many entries I've missed on EU and EG. EG and EU, I've missed maybe 4 entries this month. And you boys know me, I don't place many trades because, again, my strategy is so in depth that I get way less trades. Especially right now with the markets right now, with my confluences just not been giving me that many entries or that many trades. But bro, the entries have been not there. See, so we're getting this reaction. I think I know what he's on about now, Zane. How long should an intraday trader be profitable on demo before going live? I'll be so honest, bro, right? And I say this to everyone, right? Just so you know who I am, right? I've traded these financial markets profitably for the last 3 years. 3.5 years, and I've been trading for about 7 now, over 7. I started trading when I was 16. I'm now 23. And the one thing I'll say regarding sort of intraday trading and profitability is you need at least 1 year on a live account before calling yourself profitable. There's no such thing as being profitable on a demo account. There is no such thing, because you're missing one main variable that will change your whole portfolio, which is the psychology side. So demo account doesn't show you anything. The only thing it really gives you is maybe just a little bit of experience of placing trades. But other than that, demo's pointless, boys. Honestly, the only thing you guys should be on is funded accounts. I don't care if you started yesterday or the day before. Buy a funded account, man. Understand how staying in parameters. The good thing is about prop firm accounts, and people hate this obviously, but there's rules. There's so many rules, but these rules are good rules. 8% max drawdown, 4% max daily drawdown, 8% target for like a month, 2 months. Like, bro, these targets on prop firm accounts will make you a better trader. Don't try pass the account. Try and maintain the account at the start, okay? But building a strategy comes from a lot of in-the-market situation. Knowing yourself is key, and you don't understand yourself when it comes to these financial markets unless you are trading live. If you trade demo, you don't know any of the psychology side, which, trust me, when you get to it, it's going to be a big thumb up the arse. And nothing worse than a thumb up the arse. Maybe a hand up the arse, pretty worse, but there's nothing worse than thinking you've got it when you really don't. So don't waste your time too much on a demo. Demo's just there just to identify, maybe I'll just placing trades into account, but it's not going to give you the profit, nowhere near the profitability that you think you're going to get. So always live accounts, boys. Honestly, the amount of funded accounts I traded when I was sort of on the come up, on the journey with Lou, man, I'd buy an account every week. It was awful, dreadful. But I've learned so much from every single one of those accounts I've had. Every single one. Demo accounts are a waste of time, boys. Absolute waste of time. Waste of time. Psychology is one of the hardest things to understand in trading. If you do not understand psychology, there is no way on this beautiful earth you'll be profitable. No way. 100%. Can't stress that enough. Live accounts all day long. Or funded challenges, whatever way you want to go. I know it's all gone under, but the strict consistency rules they had were the best thing at all. Discipline. 100%, Mez. 100%. Like, these prop firms, boys, their rules will make you a better trader if you follow them. I swear to God. I promise you that. I've always traded on a funded account. Since the start of my trading to now, I've always been on a funded account. And I've structured my trading around a funded account. And what has that given me? That's given me way more longevity, way more consistency. Yes, I don't make 20%, 10% a month. But who gives a fuck? I don't need to make 10% on that 800k. I don't need to be making £80,000 a month. It's just a joke amount of money. It would be lovely, but there's no point in overstressing yourself, overstimulating yourself over extra money when the next month you can lose all those funded accounts because you risked too much. Funded accounts are the best thing that's happened to us, boys. If you do not take advantage of those, even when you're at the straight beginner stage, you are missing out. Funded accounts are something that we've been blessed with in the 21st century. People didn't have this before the 2000s. It was back when we had old proprietary arms, when the only way you could really get your hand on funded is if you proved yourself to a hedge fund, which was very, very fucking hard. Very hard. Nowadays, it doesn't matter. We've got retail brokerages that came into the market in the 2000s, and obviously on the back of that, we have the proprietary arms we know today as prop firms. The new age proprietary arms. You never trade. I've started to look more at futures. I've started to look a lot more at Nasdaq and ES. $40 for a 10k account on ACG right now. Ooh, that's good, bro. Shall I just buy that account now and we'll full port it for London? Who wants to do that? I'll stay on till 11 AM and we'll just full port a trade. Should we do that? Jesus, this is NFA. Demo to funded, big difference in mental side of things, massive. You won't. What? I won't. Okay. Okay. Man said I won't. B, you know me, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck you mean I won't? I'll purchase one of their accounts right this second. Right, 10k for $40, bro. I'll buy 2 of them just to trade, just to do it. Let me log in. Why am I not already logged in? Why am I not already logged in, bro? Where are these accounts? Someone send me a link on Discord or something. I'll grab an account right now and we'll full port it. What time's the giveaway? What's happening? Spin the wheel, true or dude? Spin the wheel, bro. It's just a lot easier, Mez. A lot of people are at work at 2 o'clock. So yeah, it's just much easier to do it during just like a spin the wheel. You haven't got to be sitting there doing a quiz. And I want everyone to get funded, so I don't want just the unemployed people to get funded. I want everyone to get funded. So boys, by the way, giving away 2 ACG accounts, 2 25k accounts today, both at 2 AM in the New York Live. If you want to get your hands on one of them boys, make sure to drop me a message so you can get in it. Don't show Ben Fullports though. Yeah, but we need to get Ben fully on, bro. Wait, how do I get this account? How do I get it? I mean, I've just looked at 10k. 10k is still $140. I have to put in a code or some shit. Is it on their Instagram? Alright, 10k for 40. Yeah. Right, let's get this account. I'm not a US citizen. Well, I'm not logged in. I'm just gonna have to make a new account on ACG quick because I can't remember my login. I think Lou's got it. I went raw spreads, first name. Oh wait, I've already got an account now. It's not in my name, so it should be alright. It should be alright. Username already exists. Oh yes, we've got to change the email. Funded account advice. You mean the 10k for £10? No, I think it's $40. It's pretty much £10, isn't it? Card number. Place order. Right, we've just bought it, boys. Funded account advice. It depends what advice is good for you, though. What stage are you at in your trading right now? Right, how do I get this? Right, let's log in. I'm gonna have to log in on this phone as well. What are we full porting on, boys? That's the question. What are we full porting? Right, boys, we're in. What are we full porting? Right, what are we full porting? That's the question. Should we full port this? For a beginner, yeah, it is. And surely with that one, I can full port to fund it at least. The thing is, you still get put on a risk account. So, like, even if I pass this, there'll be no point in actually trading it. But it's for the absolute bans. But the question is, what are we full porting, boys? What are we gonna full port? $40 for a 10k is so good. But that actually is very good. EG still failing to continue, and we've come to this fair value. I feel like we could still get us to the down to the DTO. Sorry, down to the Friday low. Yeah, that's it, all caps. It's 10k, yeah, it's 10k for 40, all capitals. Can I get an Alpha Futures if I win? I think so. I might be able to swap it for you, maybe, Hills. Maybe. Right, I feel left out, buy one, be right back. Everyone go buy one. Alright, let's all full port it together. Everyone go buy one. Let's just full port it together, man. You're going to be full porting this 10k. Tell me what options to do. What's that for? For the account? Man. Go no spreads, 2-step, 8% EAUs. No, I don't know. No EAUs. Full port gold long 15-minute IFVG. That's what I'm liking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Do they allow full point? Probably not, bro. But it's literally for the bants. For the bants. You know what? Should we full port gold? I feel like we full port gold to the higher. Like even just. Oh my god! I heard full port together. My dreams come true. Ben, this is your day, brother. Fuck it. All post accounts in the Discord. I'm a cop. Yeah, that's it. Boys, if you're in the Discord, we're all right now full porting accounts together. We're all full porting accounts together. Everyone send their 10k into the Discord. I want proof. I want proof that we're all in this shit together. $10k boys. Hey, yo, Lucas from ACG texts us in the chat. Yeah! Man like Lucas, you know. How do we enter the giveaway? Dylan, you're already a lifetime member, bro, so you just got to be on the stream at 2 o'clock, man. Boys, we've got the main man Lucas active in the free chat as well. This is the main ACG Discord dude. The main man himself, Lucas, bro. Boys, everyone send your 10k accounts into the free chat. Or chart check if you're a free member. I feel like gold might run without us, man. I can't lie, I'm using mine for learning, but good luck. I'm full porting the hell out of this motherfucker. I'll be so honest with you, innit? I'm heavy full porting on this. It's annoying though, because it's got. I don't know why we did this so late, man. I feel like we can still full port some positions though. What do you reckon the best positions for it is? The bad urges are telling me go 50k at full port. Nah, don't do that. 10k for $40 is insane. I mean, what's that in pounds? I'll make it 30. I'd say. Let me have a good guess here. I reckon $40 is bang on. I want to say. I reckon it's £32.58. It's £30 now. What? So every £40 you get, that's crazy. Sorry, every $40 you get is $10 off. It's £10 off, sorry. That's how weak the dollar is. Just from that perspective, that is insane. Is your USD good on scalping though? Yes, bro. Very, during London session, it's very good. Very good for it. Raw spreads always, bro. Raw spreads on these positions. I don't know, man. I feel like I feel like the best position is just gold full port to the higher. You know what? I'm just gonna open the gold. We're just gonna open a gold trade. We're buying gold. We're full point in gold here. Mate, a 10k account, bro. What even is full port lot wise? I mean, how many lots you got to play with? I feel like it just has to be gold. Yeah. So we can only really risk 4%. So that's going to have to be our full port. Alright, ACG big W for that price. That's sick. I feel like for me, it's got to be a gold. Gold TP Wednesday higher. Lovely stuff, bro. Have we still got EU running down? Yeah, EU still running down. I reckon full port on EU shorts. I feel like EU's just moving a lot more than gold right now. Fuck it, let's just open price full port gold, Euro USD. This is purely this is pure and utter gambling. All we need is a 7.5 on EU. That's all we need. That's all we need. I want to buy it. What do you want to buy, bro? Alright, we kind of do need this 5-minute closure actually, so wait for this 30 seconds candle to close. This last 5 minutes or 30 seconds, and then we'll look to go. Is gold coming back? Ooh, that's enticed me into gold now. That's what would entice me back into gold. ACG praying it stop. I might even buy a 2. I might even buy another one if we fail. I mean that is that is gambling at its finest, man. At its literal finest. Alright, we've had this closure. Entry you'd be looking at around here. We had a 5 pip stop for it. So stop was here. No, 5.3. So it would be something like this to the prior day low. Bro, I don't know what to go for. EU or gold, boys. I'm in 2 worlds what to full pull. That's why I kind of wish I had 2 accounts right now, because I'll full pull both. We can't. So what do you reckon? Right, I'm going to put a vote. Let's do a vote. YouTube, you guys vote. By the way, boys, if you're not on the YouTube, jump into YouTube. This is where we're mainly live. It's about 70 man in there. You can see my full screen. But if you're on a TikTok, half pull both. Half pull both. I don't reckon that's a bad idea at all, to be fair. I'm gonna do a poll in the chat. We're gonna do a poll in the TikTok chat. Smiley face if we go for the full port on gold. Sad face if we go for the full port on EU. Defo EU. Everyone in both. Fuck it. both. Wait, I'm gonna use this trade to try to fix my 7.9 drawdown. Okay, that's proper gambling. Go for gold. Bro, I'm getting mixed answers. Right, on the TikTok, happy face for gold, sad face for EU. Everyone's saying EU. I think it's got to be EU. Let's just go with EU, sell by market. Let's see how we run on EU. I can't even really hold my phone up. So right, on the 10k account, obviously we need to make, what is it, $80? No, $800, sorry. I'll tell you what, if we lose this, we'll go back in. We'll go back in. 1%'s $100. 1%'s $100. 4% and we're out, so $400 and we're out. I'll tell you what, if we lose this one, I'm gonna grab another one, and we're gonna have to go gold long. Bug it! Gold's gonna rocket up in a few minutes. It's been confirmed. Matt, don't say that, you bastard. Don't you dare say that. After I just chose EU over it. This is not financial. Whereas this is NFA, innit? This is NFA. Full port Friday, bro. You know the move, man. 800 max loss, 400. Yeah. 400 daily. So really 400. So really 4%, $400 is what we got. Mate, I can't just hold this phone. Surely, can I put it up anywhere? Okay, I can. Wait, actually, where was our entry? Our entry was... Forex stop loss is around here, maybe. Bottom ticked. So yeah, we got in at 491. Boys, this is NFA. This really is NFA. I feel like I'm watching a steak stream. This is the FX steak stream. It's exactly what this is, boys. I keep on drinking. I keep on going to drink my coffee, realising that it's fucking empty. I've done that like 3 times now. I low-key played it off the 2 times, but now I just like a dickhead. Bro, this is bare fun for a Friday, no cap. Boys, by the way, New York session, we're giving away 2 25 ACG accounts, and make sure you boys, if you boys want to get into that giveaway, drop me a message. Wait, surely no way this is $65 down. Surely it's more than $60, right? This stop must be higher then. I don't know where $400 is. This is not financial advice. Real plug, what's good, my cousin? What we saying, bro? I wonder what Louis is doing right now. He's hanging out the back of a Terry, boys. W Live, and I'm gonna win 25k account around 130. Explain why you're selling EU. Well, EU have been shorting all morning. This was a signal we had in chat. Right now, we're just having a bit of fun on the 10k ACG account we just purchased. We just purchased this 10k ACG. ACG are currently doing 10k accounts for $40, which is like 30. It's like £30, £29 or something. Honestly, bro, this is a full port. The main trade was all the way up here. This is just like a jokey full port for Friday. That I feel like doing on stream. The reason why is because we just found out ACG dropped these 10k accounts for $40. So, bro, we're full porting the fuck out of these. Right, that can't be our entry. Our entry must be higher because we're in profit there. So our entry must be like here. No, it has to. Wait, no. Entry must be 491 then. I hope I've risked enough. Have I risked enough? I hope so. I don't think I have. Surely I have, right? To be fair, it's only a 1 to 1.2. We see it's $100. It's annoying. You boys on the TikTok, you boys on the YouTube, you can't actually see. It's kind of annoying. But I mean, you can sort of guess where we are in terms of what's on the screen, man. 7 lot, 7.5 lot on the 10k. Is that enough? It might not be. We might have to take this below the Friday low, really. I'm pretty sure it's not enough. This should either fail the account or pass the account. Yeah, I think we definitely have to aim for more. We definitely have to aim for more. Cat, what do you reckon, bro? 7 lots enough? Lou pulling his hair out when he sees this. No, what? Wait, why would he be pulling his hair out? First of all, he'd be doing himself a favour if he did. My mentor, by the way. Yo, motherfuckers! Calm down. Thing is, where's gold at? Okay, gold's not moved. At least I'm not rethinking what full port we should have stayed in. Lou needs to go for a buzz cut. I won't be joining in on this madness. Oh man. Yeah, you know what? I think we might have to add on a risk. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right. Let's add on. Eight lots? Is 8 lots enough? No, profit's around Friday low. Profit is just whenever we pass the account, boys. Again, this isn't no serious trading shit. We're literally here full porting an EU short. I don't think that 0.5... I don't think that point... I should have put another couple lots on. Maybe. We might have. Well, we're currently right now up about nearly 1%. So this might pass the account, I guess. Have to round it up to 10. Alright, if we come back to entry, we'll load on another 2 lots. Yo, what's this new series? Alright, this new series is full port 10k ACG accounts. This is a new series we're doing, man. Let's have, what's it called, Josh? Alright, this is talking about solo series, banger. Moment Feet. Moment featuring Charlotte Plank. Hey, you know these songs, yeah? They bear remind. You know, this is the type of song that a girl would listen to when getting ready to go out. Isn't it? No cap, bro. My mother's, I bet everyone's girlfriend listens to this before they go out. Right, we can add another 2 lots now. Okay, that's not a full port then. 1. Oh, are we already full porting then? Right. We are defo full porting here, surely. Instead of hitting gym, I watch your mate's full port at 10k account. Well, let's see how it goes then. We're 1% down right now. Thanks, take the piss out of me. Do not play me like that. Don't play me like that. Right, we're only 1% down. This doesn't really feel like a full port. Calm back down, EU. We've actually got a fair value here that price can come to and react to. Sorry, bro, but it's gonna be stop loss. If this is stop loss, bro, I'm gonna have to go back to working. So I hope not, man. I've got this full ported on like 800k worth of funding at the moment. So excited to be 35k under after today. Oh, bro. But yeah, ACG are doing 10k accounts for $40 right now, boys. Go get your hands on one of them motherfuckers. The discount code is 10k for 40, all capitals. All capitals, boys. The shorts that we have, these are the shorts we have in the signals right now, and we've just full ported some shorts on ACG down to that Friday low for the absolute jokes of it. Bro, ACG probably hate us for our promoting the ways we promote ACG. We're just full porting 10k account. Yeah, this is a banger, man. Yes, Harry, what we saying, bro? If this works, can we kiss? Yeah, bro, fuck! I was about to say the most homo thing, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. Yeah, Harry, I'm all good, my boy. How you doing, bro? How you been, man? How's trading been, H? We're currently 1% up, man. Whoa, bro. I honestly nearly fell through every monitor on my desk. Holy shit. Are you full porting? Yes, I'm full porting. What the hell? Bro, there's nothing better to do on a 10k than full port. It's going very well, brother. I'm trading NAS now. Fair play, bro. What are you trading futures? Can't find the website. Just type up Alpha Capital. Sorry, I've got the handwriting like a fucking... I don't even know. Alpha Capital Group. If you type up ACG, it doesn't come up. But if you type up Alpha Capital Group, it will come up. Bro, I just realised I've got the website right to the left of me. This is the website, please. Thing is, if this TPs, that means I have to buy another one, and I'll full port gold on another account. Or bro, if they send us the phase 2 quick. If they send a phase 2, I mean, does this even count as a pass? I don't know. I don't think it does. I don't think you're allowed to do this by any means. I guess we'll see. We're already down $20 through commission. Bro, if that phone falls again, I'm gonna break that phone. Why you want a 10k demo, Mace? Now I have to show my full name because of you, Dylan. Oh, I just realised the reason it keeps falling is because I'm playing music from it. It's just vibrating. What was the thinking behind the trade? Oh god, that question shouldn't be asked. It's the only time where I can't answer that question, brother. This is a full port on EU. Yeah, but I got funded with Top Step last week, 8% IP on a funding right now. Let's fucking go, man. Oh, 4% up. Lovely stuff, man. That's what I like to hear, H. To be fair, we've not. Yeah, Sam, we just bought a 10k account. ACG are doing a deal right now. 10k account for $40. So we've just full ported this motherfucker. This is the signal. This is the signal we're currently got in our Discord, running really nice. This is the full port we have, not running as nice. It doesn't feel like a full port though. What's his playlist? Is it a playlist? I think he's just playing songs over and over again. I don't think it's actually a playlist. The Process is a good part. That's such a banger. Let me find another banger. Santo Essentials, that's a banger. We did another banger. Oh, bro, this song went so hard. Empire of the Sun, obviously this. Walking on Dream, that's such a banger. You know what? Low-key, this is like my favourite song in like 2025. No, 2024, sorry. This was like the hardest tune, man. I just realised our free margin is minus $70, which is not great. We've had the reaction into there though. What's the discount code, boys? It's 10k for 40, all capitals. 10k for 40, all capitals. Okay, yeah, so I guess that means the stop loss is like somewhere around here. I bet that means stops around here. No, it can't be. Well. Incoming liquidation. All you need is a love to love you. Gold's still not come to entry yet. Again, I'm still loving gold at DTO, man. Gold limit still valid, 100%, bro. 100%. 100%. It was EU. By the way, it always says my pair at the bottom in the middle here, boys. But this is EU we've got this on. Thanks, Rich. Wait, what'd you say, sorry, bro? 4% is $400, right? I would have thought so, I'm not gonna lie, but right now we're only down 1%. I mean, less now, but we was down 1%, so in regards to like the monetary value, it should be about here. Maybe a bit less. I want to say maybe 5 pips. I don't reckon it will be any higher, to be brutally honest. But we're coming down off this fair value pretty nice. I deposited $20. What about FX? Been alright? Yeah, FX has been very slow, bro. My problem with FX at the moment, I've just not been entered. I've been having a lot of entries, but price just hasn't come back to them. That's what I've been noticing recently with FX. Last like few months, last like 2 months. That's what it's been like. By the way, boys, I'm live on YouTube. This is mainly where I'm streaming. You can obviously see my whole screen, everything. So, boys, come jump onto YouTube if you want to actually just watch the whole stream. So much easier for a watch. YouTube is literally just up there. If you want to see how this full port of this ATG account goes. Yeah, sending to you. What's your strategy? Asia liquidity, bro. Asia liquidity sweep. Oh, nice. Bro, look at the revenue on the YouTube. I always use lot size calculator, already have, bro. Stop loss on TP though. No, that's the main thing, slow futures, yeah. Yeah, man. Just copped a little 10k. James, full boy. We are making it out of the hood. Yes, Jed, what we saying, bro? Oh, wait, Jed, you spawned Man U? Alright, see you as well, Slappo. Is anyone in the TikTok support Man United? Anyone? Any little bastards in here? Bro, is there a giveaway? Yes, boys, doing a giveaway at 2 PM today. So in a few hours, we're giving away 2 ACG 25k accounts. I do, unfortunately. We dog shit. Fuck United, trust me, man. Oh. I'll be honest, I was shitting myself. The thing is, Aaron said this to me at the link up. He said, and it was very true actually, it's the best time to play Man United, because at the moment they are shocking. At the moment they are really shit. So it was the best time for us to play Man U away. And we fucking, how do we get a point out of that, man? That is crazy. Like, big up West Ham. We should have won like 5-1, let's be real. Yeah, you mad should have. You mad should have. Yeah, like West Ham be buzzing, bro. Yeah, I support West Ham and I am buzzing over that. Yeah, I'm West Ham, bro. I support West Ham, so yes, latest trends, my cousin. I mean, I say that, we're still 18th. It's really nothing to be happy about. Oh, wait, are we 18th? Are we 18th? I'm mad hoping not, but I think we are. Yay! Wait, how are Wolves on 2 points? Bro, no, wait, bro, have they all like had... Bro, no way they actually have only got 2 points. Bro, is that a technical glitch you're saying? But they've played 14 games and managed to nab 2 points. That is insane. Bro, Aaron is such a W guy, so nice. Help me in a few others at the link up. Bro, yeah, Aaron's the guy, bro. Aaron is a hedge fund trader that now essentially works for... The reason why it works for us as well, boys, is because he wants to be around traders a bit more. See, he's an institutional trader, so he trades fund, but obviously there's nothing more shit than being a trader with no one around you. So, yeah, Aaron's come in a group literally just to help everyone out, man. Aaron's an absolute G. No cap, he's the absolute G. We're getting relegated. Don't say that, bro. But don't say that, brother! For the love of God. Is Sophie Brain your motivation? It's not my motivation, it's EU's motivation, bro. But yeah. Stockport versus West Ham next season. Bro, shut up. We are not getting relegated, bro. I'm a Villa fan, mate. Oh, you're a Villa fan. Fair play, man. Bro, what's that tune? This is a banger. You get me, Jonathan? Went to Old Trafford with a mate. Fair play, man. I bet it was like fucking climbing into a hole. I bet that was a horrible place to go to, man. Don't you dare miss entry. Yeah, I tell you what, the cleanest this morning was definitely EG. This was so clean off the DTO to the Asia low. Lovely 3.1 in the morning. Like a 2-pip stop loss. Beautiful trade there. Come on, EU, treat us well, buddy. How's my hair looking without this hat on? Oh my. Right, what do you man reckon with a quiff, the little pullover? Well, as soon as I took my hat off, price started reversing. Right, watch me put my hat on and price just fall down. Bro, so... Did you enter gold? No, I'm not in gold. But gold hasn't actually come back to entry yet, bro. You still missed it by an inch. But again, boys, I do not trade Fridays. I mean, as you can see, I've definitely got a trade on right now. But I don't. My plan doesn't trade through Fridays. How's the full port going, mates? We're 1% down right now. But I did just show my hairline and my trim, so it makes sense the price to reverse at that point. Gold tapped me into the tick, mates. No way it did. Oh, bro, it missed me by like a pube. Yeah, it missed me by a pube. Missed me by a pube. Ah, futures, right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Is that on the same account you trade your, like, Nasdaq? Or Nasdaq? But yeah, we're just below 1% down right now. We're not really, price ain't moving, man. It hasn't really moved in the last, like, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Which is actually jarring. Nah, bro, I just got a 50k for $45. Oh, $45! Tell us so if you get our bangers out, should drop. Right, she's not helping us at the moment. We need a new one in. We actually need a new one in. We need a new mascot. Boys, what's the new mascot? Quick, we need a new mascot, quick. Very quick, we need a new mascot. Boys, who are we going for? One, wow. Alright, fine. Oh wow, wait, hold on, wait. Do we even need anyone on here? Let's see if we get a reaction. Harvey Price. Who should we have at stop loss? I reckon we have Harvey Price at the stop loss. Right, surely, right? Surely, right? Why he low-key look like Mace though, bro? Fuck you, innit? A hard matchup that, trust me. Bro, that's a link up the world is waiting for, bro. Big HP and Bonnie Bees. Bro, that link up's crazy, man. Check gold. Oh, gold's coming down further. You come to entry on gold. EU is what we're in on, though. On the full poll. Oh, the Harvey Price is working. Shush, Harvey. Come on, HP. Butter candle. That's what we need. That's exactly what we need. A erection candle right now. That's exactly what we need. I've been on stream since 7 o'clock. I've been on stream for 4 hours now. Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've been on stream for 4 hours, boys. At what point do I jump off? You're using strategy was better than the hedge fund putting photos. Yeah, trust me, bro. Bro, the hedge funds need to take some form of tips off me. I'll be so honest. Boys, with this TPs, I'll drop the photo strategy soon. Yeah, we do need that. We need that Drake candle for real. The photo strap. Yerp, motherfuckers. We're back at break even, man. This is painful as hell. Get your bitch ass down, motherfucker. SP King, what you saying, my boy? What's good, man? Not gonna lie, I prefer Harvey. I hear it. No, what do I even mean? I don't even hear it, bro. I can't even lie, man. I don't even hear that. Bro. You are crazy. Bro, I beg we move, for the love of God. But the signal right now is currently running pretty much 3R up. Oh, I don't know where the TP was. I should put it to Friday line. It was bang on 5R, I'm pretty sure. Can we move, please? Please? You're vaping that. Is that any problem for trading or psychological? Because I also smoke, so any advice from your side, buddy? I'll be honest, bro. I mean, I've got a worse problem, man. I've been bunning canny for years. Like, since I was a youth, bro, I've not stopped. When I was like 15, I started 14, I started tearing. 15, 16, I started proper bunning. I've been bunning ever since. I've been bunning my whole journey, I'll be so honest with you. It definitely affects you, bro. It's probably why it took me so long to get profitable. It took me like 4 years to get profitable. It's probably why. Bunning never helps, man. Vapes and that, I don't really see the difference. I don't really see the difference, but when it comes to like canny, different story, man. I think vaping, you're good, man. I think you're good. Gold's back at entry now, so we see if we start getting our action back up. What are we down? We're still only down 1.5%. This is definitely not a full pull. It must be higher. It must be about 5.5. Told you stop loss, broski. First of all, where the hell have you come from? First of all. Second of all, this trade is in profit about 3R. I don't even know where this stop. I think this is the stop. I think it might even be a bit lower or higher. Slowest full pull in history. 100, bro. In it. Okay, then yeah, it must be lower. It must be lower. 5%, 5 pip. What pip is that? 2.3, 2.2. It was like 2.9, so it must be about 5 point. I want to say 5.5 is about 200. It's gonna be stop loss. I promise you. Why are you shorting? We've been shorting since this morning, bro. We're about 3 hours up. We've been shorting it all morning. I'm long EU, but where are we longing from? Like what? Like there's nothing to long. We've had no reaction from the euro to come back up yet. We've had nothing's. It's kind of true. That might be the problem. That actually might be the problem, MH. Might be the problem. I had full port on GJ buys after break and retest. Bro, we're all just full porting now. We full ported NFL. Yeah, boys, we literally just bought a 10k ACG account. They're doing 10k for $40. 10k for $40. So we just full ported a short. It was either the gold long or the EU short. I risked 5k to make 8k. What account is that on? Is that actually one of your funded accounts, though? Is that a challenge? Yeah, Bonnie Blue's in shorts right now. Full Port Friday, bruv. Full Port Friday, cuzzy. Boys, we are giving away 2 ACG accounts every single first Friday of the month. So today, being the first Friday of December, we are giving away 2 25k ACG accounts. If you want to get entered into that giveaway, boys, drop me a message on, well, if you're on TikTok, just drop me a message on here. Or drop me a message on, you know what, drop me a message on Instagram, man. Drop me a message on Instagram. Oh. Just drop me a message on Instagram and I'll get you into the Discord where I can tell you how to get entered into the giveaway. Thoughts on sales on EU? I'll be so honest, I wouldn't short now. Like, shorts were the morning move for London. That was the morning move. I wouldn't look at shorts anymore, to be honest, brother. Yeah. I'm not too sure what your name is because I think it's in Greek. Noxtro. I'm gonna call you Noxtro. It's gonna be easier. So I'm bullish EU. I'm mainly bullish EU. I've been bullish EU for the past 4 months. I can't be able to hold that phone up anymore. I've been bullish on EU for about 4 months. The main positions I've placed this year is EU buyers. I'm with you in saying that price is going to come up on a longer term. EU is definitely bullish. 100% is bullish. In terms of the higher time frame perspective, we are strong. EU should be coming up continuously throughout December and through January. 100%. I'm so on that. I can give you my reasons right now. First of all, okay, we've actually got decent growth in the ECB right now. The euro has great growth. Germany has great growth. France still a little bit politically uncertain, but we've got way more growth in the European economy than we do within the US. Another thing, labour market has been softening in the US for about 4 or 5 months now, and especially has been softening after the shutdown, where essentially loads of people in the US government lost a lot of jobs, which obviously made jobs come out low, ADP come out low. Yes, we had unemployment claims come out a little bit lower, which was good for the US, but more long term, we are definitely looking at a weakening of the labour market. Also, next week we should be looking at an interest rate cut from the US. So from the Fed, we'll see a 25 basis point cut. We've also got massive political uncertainty around the US right now because we're possibly going to have a second Fed governor. We've got Powell that leaves term in next year May, and then we've got I think what's his name, Hassett. I think we've got Hassett who's potentially going to be the new Fed governor, or for some reason a second Fed governor right now. And obviously what that will cause is political uncertainty. And what Hassett's idea of monetary policy right now is we need to be cutting interest rates to get the deficit down. Okay, only makes sense. So you see a cut of interest rates, weaker labour market. It is bearish dollar all day long. Everyone is bearish dollar. All the top institutions are bearish dollar, 100%. I'm bearish dollar. The only position I've placed this year has been EU longs and EG longs. They're the only positions I've touched this year. I fully agree with you, bro. I fully agree. But this trade here was something that one of our traders sent in as a signal. And his perspective is way more on a lower time frame and a less volume day. So I understand the shorts completely. We're massively overbought. I understand the shorts completely. But yes, I am also mainly long. All right, institutionally, from a monetary policy point of view, we are definitely long, 1,000,000%. Does not mean we can't come down on an intraday perspective. We're up about 0.5% right now. Price needs a reason to move up. We've had no reason to move up. DTO, we've not come to the DTO and continued back up. Trade through makes me feel like we can come to the Asia's low or come to the Friday low before moving up. Can price reverse from the Asia low in Euro USD? 100%, bro. We'll have a look as soon as it takes. As soon as it takes Asia's low, we'll see the reaction at the low. Let me just mark it out as well. RRP Powell. I know, but it's sad because again this is like his current second term within the Federal Reserve as being governor. He's been governor for like 8 years now, and he is amazing. He's bare good. He knows what the economy needs, but obviously when you've got someone like Trump, he will push an agenda. It historically has always been the White House and the Federal Reserve have never come close. They're never. No one from the White House ever has had a say-so in what the Fed are going to do in terms of monetary policy. But now, obviously, Trump being Trump is not allowing that, and he pretty much wants to have control of what the Federal Reserve do. Which, again, I think is not a great idea. I feel like the independency of the Fed governor away from the White House was so good. It's great because you don't have someone like Trump pushing some agenda, which again might cause real pain for the economy short term. It might be great long term, but short term, if it causes a really bad move, puts the economy into economy into sort of a stagnation situation where inflation's high and growth is zero. Then it's really hard for an economy to get out of that, and also at the same time reduce deficit of trade. Which, bearing in mind, I think the debt's risen. It's now above 30. It's now double what it was back in 2018. Massive trade deficit, and also massive debt in the US, which is mad. Massive. We're currently 1.5% up. Should have gone for gold longs. Yeah, it would have been good. It would have been good, but EU's moving nice now. We're 2% up, boys. We're 6% away from passing. We might have to aim for a little bit longer. 1.4. 0.5 R gives us 2%. So we're pretty much, 0.5 gives us 2%. So we're pretty much risking 4% on this trade, which is perfect. So if we get to 1.5 R, that should be, I think that's only 6 R. So we need 2 R, actually. So we need to hold this to pretty much where Apex is holding his to. We've just taken the Asia's low though, so we're going to see the reaction around here. We'll see the reaction around here. Can price reverse from that Asia low in... Sorry, I already read that, fucking idiot. Do the magnet strategy. Bro, last time we did a magnet strategy, it ruined us, Fizz. You know what, let's get magnets on there as well, fuck it. Magnets can't possibly not help. It's not just getting fucking bukkake, bro. Wait, there's no way we hit stop loss here. Like with the apparatus we got here, bro, there is no way we're hitting stop. I want to hear it, bro. We're not hitting stop. Hold to the 4-hour CRT. We actually managed to get 4-hour CRT now. Really taking 4-hour CRT. Tell her to get a Donna out. Bro, that is jokes. I've never heard that before. Vish, we don't even need to, bro. We're gonna pass the account as soon as we hit TP on this. We hit TP on this. That account's passed, so we don't actually need to. We're 3% up now, boys. $1164. What pair is that on, bro? Yeah, this is how the institutions trade, bro. We're 3.6% up right now. The magnets, well, bro, the magnets are working, bro. It's annoying they couldn't help me when I was on my fucking 800k funded, though, could it? No, it wasn't even on that. It was an EG, wasn't it? I think when we was doing all those magnets. That would have been a 200k challenge. Why is there pics on the chart, sir, on Euro? No, these are just indicators, bro. These are just indicators. Don't reverse at Asia's low. Don't do us like that. How did you decide that you and gold that you would focus on? What pairs would you recommend a beginner to go with? Not gold. Trade. You want to trade a high volume. You want to trade high volume currencies at high volume time. So if you're trading like the euro, for an example, or the pound, you want to trade the high volume during London session, which is 8 AM. So if you trade 8 AM UK, you want to be trading the euro, the pound, the yen. The yen's good as well. The Swiss franc. You want to trade pairs that their central bank opens at that time. All right. You don't really want to be trading like EG in New York session, right? So trading a European and London pair in New York time. Okay. Again, if you're trading like half two is about what? I mean, half two in the evenings when you get higher volume for London, for New York. So you'll be trading EG at half two. You're not going to get many positions. But if you was trading EG in London session, you're going to way more volume because you've got the volume of all of the central banks within Europe, and also you have, of course, the equity market open. You have the bond market open. So a lot more liquidity is being traded around 8 AM for the UK. So it's the best time to trade European pairs. So it massively depends on the times you trade, right? If you look to trade New York, the US dollar, GU, EU, great pairs to trade. I mean, I feel like EU, GU are just bare good pairs to trade all day long. Really. Anytime, Mike, bro. What time do Asia, London, and New York sessions open and close? Archie, I'll be so honest, right? Open and close isn't the most important time. The most important time, because the thing is about London session, right, is you can say it's like 9 to 5, because that is like the normal time, or 8 to 5 will be the normal time. But obviously, most important, open is the most important. Don't worry about close, just worry about open. Open is so important. So open for Asia is the high volume central bank opening for it is 2 AM our time. UK London open is 8 AM. That's when we've got all the central banks opening. We've got a bond market, equity market, etc. And the New York session's 2:30 because we've got New York Stock Exchange open, bonds are open, FX markets open. That's where big volume comes into play. So yeah, Asia 2 AM. That's when we get major central banks opening over in Europe, over in Asia, like Singaporean banks, Hong Kong banks, Chinese banks, Japanese banks. And then over in London session, 8 AM is when you get all of the London banks opening. Europe, obviously, you got Frankfurt open at 7, but you have equity market at 8 in Europe. So that's why 8 AM is the best time for Europe. And then for like a New York session, obviously, Canada Open, US Open, New York Stock Exchange Open, half two, everything's open. So that's the time you're going to be trading for New York. And that's what we want. Big volume is what we want. That's what we want. We're back at break even pretty much. This is where I'd hold gold to. I would hold gold to previous highs. Right, now you boys, you make me feel like I should have got in gold now, after everyone told me to get in EU. This full port would have been perfect, man. There's no way you're in a buy on Euro. I am, brother. Wait, no, I'm not. Sorry, this isn't buying the Euro. And buying the Euro is what you want to do right now, bro. I know I've got this trade on, but this is just a joke, full port in a 10k. But Euro buys is where you want to be, bro. Against the dollar, really. Oh, boys, I've been on the stream for about 4.5 hours, man. Holy shit. I'm going to jump off in 5 minutes because my eyes are falling out my face. I've actually got people viewing my gaff as well, so I've got to clean up and shit. What a slow full pull. We might have to jump on live at like 1 o'clock before we do the giveaway and just full pull again. Lord knows I can count on you. But I'm putting in work, bro. Bro, 4.5 hours. I feel like my face is deconstructing, bro. I don't think I've been on stream this long ever. We've done some mad shit. We've got a signal that's about 3R on profit. We've full ported a 10k account. We've already hit TP on EG. And now we've got gold currently running in profit. No, this one's TP or stop loss, boys. No, I mean, I don't even have a stop loss on, I don't think. No, I ain't. I've had to take a couple, breaks my screen time going through the roof this week, yeah, bro. Well, I must be going insane, bro. Must be going insane. Bro, you know what? Fuck it, I'm joining, so I'm going to go fuck off. Whoa! Yo, what the fuck? Wait, what? Oh, you want to do a battle? Bro, this guy keeps hitting himself in the head with a water bottle, bro. This guy's insane, bro. Bro, this guy's repeatedly inviting me. I'll do it if you do a back. If you could do a backflip, I'll do it. Bro, this guy's just hitting himself in the head, bro. If you do a backflip, we'll battle. If you do a backflip, we'll battle. Oh, you're not understanding. He's not really understanding here. Match. Do a backflip. Do a backflip. Abdul. You're not listening here, pal. You're not listening. Do a backflip. Do a backflip now. My brother. Shut up, motherfucker. How do I get out of here? Stop inviting me to do a game. Man, you weren't there for the backflip, bro. What the heck? Come on, match battle. Bro, shut up, man. In my touch, up above, baby, the woman I... Comedy, you! Calm down, for fuck's sake. Adam, I can't say that, bro. I don't even know what that means, man. My life is my time. Do a backflip. Sorry, mate. Why is it good to buy Euro USD? I wouldn't say just yet, but like in general, in terms of the main mark, bro. This guy's still inviting me, bro. Bro, whose son is this, bro? He's got to be about 30 as well. Better not invite me again, for fuck's sake. Is Luke on live with that guy? Why does he repeatedly invite me? But the main bias for the euro right now, bro, is bullish over the dollar. Right now, we're seeing a correction. That's why we're looking to short. He's calling you a Ben short. You better fucking not. You better not. You better not. Ben short. Bro, this guy's still inviting me, bro. What the hell, motherfucker? We're 3% up right now. I haven't actually shown it to the YouTube yet. Do a backflip. What time, Fred? This is the 5 minute, bro. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's the 5 minute. Yeah, this would definitely pass the account. I think that's actually too much. We'll keep it there though, I guess. This is a full port, bro, so it's not actually a TP. We just TP when we get to $800. But I do need to jump off this live, man. I've been on here for so long, bro. So long, holy shit. What do you think about gold? Gold bullish, bro. I'm still looking at gold buyers, really. Baby. 2% away, lads. Come on. Come on, motherfuckers! Woo! Out of the ghetto. Believe your dreams, believe your need, don't let go. We're living it up. Having a good time, baby. And the ghetto. This should be a monthly series, bro. If they do it every month, on my mother's life, I will do this every single month. Bro, I'll do this every week if they did it every week. So the grandson, so be somebody. This guy is forever rolling. No way. Oh, bro, we'll do this every week, bro. You benefit from your wisdom. What's gold doing is around break even again. After that detail, probably G shorts, yeah. 6 hour lives every day. Holy shit. Imagine. Alright, the Bonnie method, the Bonnie magnet method. Yes, buy it. What's good, man? We're currently 5.5% up from this trade, boys. We're currently 5.5% up. This is a full port on this 10k ACG account. If we hit TP, I say we just have to give this account away. Actually, bro, you know what we should do? Because realistically, born and raised on the playgrounds where I spend most of my days, smoking Babylon and them dirty ways. I feel like what we gotta do, because there's a phase 1 and phase 2. So I feel like there's gotta be an episode 1 or what? There's gotta be. Fuck! There's gotta be 2 episodes if we pass the phase 1. Just down to Rima. Yeah, this is the EU I'm in, bro. This is the EU we got in the signals as well. Bro, why does this guy keep fucking inviting me, man? You're out of the ghetto. And this is also a signal we've got in the signals chat as well, boys. Wait, did it hit TP? What? Oh, he changed TP to 4R. Alright. Boys. 2 days in the signals. 2 days in the signals. We've hit 8R. 8R in 2 days. That is a funded account pass. Right there. That is the last 2 days. Apex has smashed 2 EU trades. Profiting a total of 8%, man. That's a joke. Cam, I'm currently up about 5% on this EU short here. Signals chat. It's in the Discord. If you just come drop me a message on Instagram, bro. Boys, by the way, right, I'm gonna say this now. Let me turn this fucking music off. Boys, today we are giving away. We do this every single first Friday of the month. Every single first Friday, we give away 2 25k ACG accounts to our members. That's either mentorship or signal student. Anyone. We're currently also running a 50% off. So we are doing a giveaway today. If you're a new member, you get 2 entries. If you're already a member, you get entered once every single month. If you've got both mentoring and signals, you get 2 entries. I changed it this month. So if you're in both, you've got 2 entries into the current members giveaway. But we are doing 2 every single first Friday of the month. If you're not in the Discord, boys, get the fuck in there, man. We send these announcements out all the time. Whenever we're live as well, we send out these announcements. But if you do want to drop me a message, boys, come drop it on Instagram. Boys, if you're not already following us on Instagram, man, what the fuck are you, man, playing at, bruv? Like, what are you actually playing at? Let me put that right back on.
Chris, and I think everyone wants their children to grow up in an environment like this. Why wouldn't you? Oh, well, that's why it's good for you to come and see. So you know your family.
This is a banger by Coldplay, bruv. Coldplay, you know. Oh, bro, this used to be such a banger. Oh, this used to be such a tune. Oh, bro, this used to be such a good song, man. Oh, mate. Bro, I hope all you man are singing this along with me, bro. Bro, I need something to hold that phone, bro. It's actually bare annoying me now. What should I have on my bagels? It's got to be, you know what I have on my bagels? What I've been having recently on my bagels? I've been having pastrami and mustard. Oh, so good, bro. No, not pastrami. Yeah, pastrami. Is that the beef one? We're not 5 up or up in a moment, man. Bro, can you just stay there, bro? Fuck's sake. This roll of mine, this roll of mine. Goon juice, that is crazy, Joe. That is insanity, pal. That's just how I feel. Put myself over here. Bro, I've actually seriously got to jump off. I can't be on here for 5 hours, bro. It's actually coming up to 5 hours. I jumped on the stream pre-London this morning at 7. And now it's nearly 12 o'clock, bro. That's insane. I just want to see this EUTP or not. We've just barely been moving today. And again, this is a prime example of low volume. Come in here, you. Calm down, please, you motherfucker. In it, Dylan, bro. Wait, someone give me a reason to hop. I've actually got a code because I've actually got people coming to view my gaff at 12:30, and I've still got to clean up. Mate, what do you think about going long on pound dollar once it's broke structure? I like that, bro. I like the ideas. Again, I'm mainly weak dollar. Right, I mainly am. Yeah, yeah. My mum's moving crib. My mum's moving crib. I can't lie, I just longed at you on my 10k. Come on, bro. You longed at you. You're going against me here. Where's Mummy Mace moving to? She's not even sure yet, bro. She's not even sure. Do 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 do. Still living at home? Abso-fucking-lutely. Boys, I was brought up in a single family home with 3 sisters. I love my family dearly. I went to Thailand for 6 months and the only reason I come home is because I bare miss my family. That was the only reason I come home. Bro, I couldn't stay there any longer. I love my family, innit? Honestly, bro, I would happily live at home until I'm like 30. On my mother's life, I would happily do that. I would happily live at home until I'm 30. Me and my mum are bare close, man. Bare close. And honestly, boys, there's nothing better when I'm able to trade in the morning, right? I'm able to trade in the morning, She gets home, I can make her dinner, make her day, make her laugh, I can be there when she's stressed. Man, I fucking not seen my mum in years, bro. I couldn't do that, bro, I'll be honest. Bro, I was away from my mum for like 6 months. This might sound childish, I get it, man. But I don't know if any of you man was brought up with just your mum, but honestly, boys, bro, I love my mum dearly, man. When I was in Thailand for that long, I missed the fuck out of her, bro. Like, on God, some mornings I woke up and cried. I'll be so honest with you boys, innit? I woke up some mornings and I just missed my mum. Like, you don't realise how much you miss your family once you leave. In fact, my mum's belling me now. In fact, let me answer. Yeah, hello. I know. You okay? Yeah, I'll put it in the safe. Tafe it, well, someone's going to get a kick in then, isn't they? If they try to. Oh, me, yeah? Yeah. Alright. That'll do the trick. Yeah. Half 12, yeah? Okay, perfect. Oh, sweet. Alright then. Yeah, no. Yep. Alright, love you. I know. Bye, man. I bought a house a few months ago and I missed the cooking and cleaning at my mum's. Yeah, bro, honestly, I do nowadays, bro, like, since I come back from Thailand, before that, I didn't really do much, man. But, like, since after Thailand, bro, I make dinner every night for my mum. Bro, I clean up the gaff when I can. Like, bro, I do bare shit for my mum now. Like, I've never appreciated my mum so much since, because I pretty much moved to Thailand. Like, I was there, me and Lou was there for time. Was there for like 6 months. We was looking to stay there for fucking like for time. But yeah, man, you miss a lot of shit. Like, I miss even like your dog, man. Like, I miss my dog. I miss my little sister. Me and my little sister are close. Well, mainly my mum, man. I find it hard to leave yard, man. Like, me and Lou have been we've been looking at gaffs in the Wolf to rent out because obviously they've changed the renters' rights now. So if you want to rent a house, it is so much better nowadays. Obviously, I want to get a mortgage at some point, but I mean, I don't care too much about a mortgage right now. I just want to rent somewhere bare nice, and I'll get property in a bit. But yeah. Yeah, this is Euro USD, brother. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off, man, because I've been on this stream, pre-London and this, I've been on for about 4.5 hours, bro. Do you have any funny stories about Thailand? That's for next Friday, bro. Holy shit. That's for next Friday and also for when I'm not on TikTok as well. Jesus! Well, we got some funny stories about Thailand, man. The 100k got blown, but got the 10k just to learn from now. Nice. Anyway, we're still in this full port. I'm going to have to keep my eyes on it. Well, boys, I'll let you know how we do in the Discord. I mean, you guys are going to know from the chart. But yeah, boys, you man, I love you all. I can't possibly stay on this stream any longer. My eyes and testicles may fall out of me. So I'll see you boys over in Discord. I'll be live at 2 PM, boys. 2 PM, we'll be giving away 2 ACG accounts to, well, 2 of our members. But you, man, TikTok. See you, man, in a bit, boys. Love you all, man. Love you all. Scaled live rewards. Aye, rewards from this live. 11 cents. Oh, 11 cents. That's insane. That's insane. That's really good, that. Really awesome. Really awesome. Oh, we've got a few videos on the TikTok done like 14k. That's good. Right, boys, I'm going to hop off, man. I love you all. Again, I'll be live at 2 PM in the Discord, so be active at 2 PM if you want to get your hands on a 25k ACG account for free. And yeah, we'll see how this full port goes, man. But I'll see you boys in a bit, man. Love you all. Love you all.